All right, YouTube, so we have our first detail of the day. The time is currently 8:01 on the dot, so we came here right on time. We have an engine bay only detail, but since it's 1, 2, 3 of us, we're gonna go ahead and just throw in a free exterior wash for the client here. We have a little bit of cracks and crevices to clean up, but the majority of the problem why they called us out, because this car is not terrible, is because they had some type of animal living up in there. I think they had like a bird nest or a rat nest. Something was in there. If you guys can see, something had a nest in there. They were just like living in there, so they just want to clean it up and basically get it looking nice and clean again. We have the van over there. If you hear the generator turning on and off, he's just trying to show the new guy how to turn it on and off safely. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and wash this thing up. Looks like there was like some type of storm or something here. There's a lot of branches and trees all over these roads, and luckily they didn't have anything hit their windshield, because that would have been bad. So we're gonna start off here. I'm gonna show the new hire how to do the engine bay and teach him step by step. So hopefully you guys enjoy the video and follow along. Let's get it. All right, so we have Joshua here detailing the engine bay. He's doing a really great job, and he's almost ready to start rinsing off. So we sprayed our degreaser down, and now we're just agitating with our brush here, making sure we wipe all the black panels and stuff like that, all between the cracks, the crevices, before we actually start wetting up the engine bay with the pressure washer. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse it down now and show you guys the difference that was made. So we're gonna go ahead and rinse the car down and then do a quick wash for the client here. He didn't ask for it, but we're just gonna go ahead and just throw it in because it's 3 of us and we have a little bit of time to spare. So we'll just do it. Easy work. Wheels already done. Edwin already cleaned them up and stuff, so they're all cleaned. Yeah, sorry. So you can spray that. I would focus on the black pieces, right, and make sure that it lands on there evenly. So you can just spray it everywhere. I would hold off for it up here because I don't want you to get it on the glass. So you can just spray like down here, and we'll just let it sit. So you can just spray. Yep. Just spray and let it sit. Yep. Make sure it's evenly spread out because we're not gonna wipe it with a towel. We're just gonna let it air dry by itself. Make things easier and convenient for us. Remember I told you like the different angles, like looking at it from a different spot. All right, guys, so it's 8:44 and we just got done with this car. We did wash it. We did do the wheels as an add-on. We just came for the engine bay like I mentioned in the beginning of the video. But you guys see right here, this is the after result of the engine bay. We sprayed our 303 aerospace on here. And as you guys can see, it's gonna dry out eventually. But for now, it's still wet and I'm recording it now. So it's gonna dry up. Usually if we do the outside first, we'll do the inside with vacuum detail. We come back, take a look at it, and it'll be fully dry. But in this case, since it's just an engine bay, we're gonna use a dry towel to kind of just help dry it up so we can just show the client a finished result instead of just showing him the, you know, wet look. But I do recommend just like leaving it on there. Just let it sit while you do something else, whether that's waxing the car, doing the windows, something like that. And I guarantee you when you come back, it's gonna look super slick, super shiny. So this is the end of this video here, you guys. Hopefully you guys like the video. Make sure you guys share, subscribe to the channel. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward video. I didn't show you guys the outside wash and wheels because that's not what this video was about. It was mostly about the engine bay. So like, comment, share, subscribe, you guys, and we will catch you guys on the next one. Let's go.